everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Srishti. So as you all know that leggings are so out of fashion, so I decided to transform it into something trendy. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. Things you'll be needing are drafting paper, a crop top, paper cutting scissors, fabric cutting scissors, a pencil, tailor's chalk, French curve, scale, hip curve and measuring tape. First step is to trace the crop top. And then use a hip curve to draw the neck, connecting the armhole with the neck. To make it a little more deeper, use a French curve. Next, add half-inch seam allowance all over except hem. Add 1 inch for the hem. And then draw the outline as well. This is the pattern for the front as well as the back, and then just cut it. You can use this pattern to make one shoulder top from scratch. Next, I started seam ripping the leggings to open it up. And then cut the elasticated waistband. Next, I pin the crotch and place the pattern to trace it. And then cut it. Once I was done cutting, I decided to make the neck a little more deeper. So I altered the shape of the neck and added seam allowance. And then once I was done cutting the pattern, I traced the new shape on the fabric pieces. And cut it. Let's begin stitching now. Pin the sides and shoulder and stitch it using a triple straight stitch. And also finish the raw edges with an overlock stitch. If you don't have an overlock stitch, then use a zigzag stitch. Once that is done, I cut 1 inch wide strip of paper and mark 2 parallel lines in the center to give it that cover stitch effect to the hem. Next, finish the raw edges of the hem. And then fold the hem and iron it. And place the strip on the folded hem like so and match the first line with the edge of the hem and pin it. And then make stitches on the marked lines. Next, carefully tear off the paper without disturbing the stitches. To finish the neck and armhole, I used the fabric of the waistband and cut two 1-inch strips. Then I pinned the piping to the neck and armhole. And stitched it. Once that was done, I turned the seam inside like so and folded the piping once and then folded it again and pinned it and repeated the same steps for the rest of the neck and armhole as well and stitched it very carefully with a straight stitch. Next, just iron it neatly. And that's it. It's done. And that's about it for today's video. I really hope this video was helpful. I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye.